today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, what the F is happening to Bitcoin right now? And I want to pull out one chart, one easy to understand weekly chart with one indicator which rules them all. One indicator which is showing us bear market over, bull market start, which is showing us what we can expect for Bitcoin right now in the immediate short term. Of course, I am going to talk about my trade on Bybit as well. Right now raking in $41,000 in a profit. Still, people were literally laughing at me for not closing this trade. I'm still keeping it open and I will talk about it. I will talk about my price targets and about my next moves for Bitcoin trading wise. All I'm asking for is smash up the like button to a new all-time high. I truly appreciate every single one of you watching, liking, commenting, retweeting, not retweeting, sharing the video, whatever you feel comfortable with. I appreciate you making noise for the algorithm, you helping me carrying this content out into the world. And now let's start with the Bitcoin price. Let's start in the Bitcoin charts. And dear ladies and gentlemen, what you can see here is, of course, this chart I'm showing you time and time again with the beautiful resistance and support here from the last 11 years. Every time Bitcoin hitting the upper line, the upper white line, bear market. Whenever we are hitting the bottom line, bull market. Well, bad news here is we didn't hit this bottom line yet. It is actually right now approximately at $22,000 in alignment with the 200-week moving average. What if there's another indicator besides the 200-week moving average I talked about yesterday, which rules them all? Well, this is, of course, number one, the RSI on the bottom here. You can see the RSI, the weekly RSI, the orange line here. And whenever it gets below the level of 40, this is when the bear market is going into the very final stages. So you can see this right there, 18th of February 2019, right? Then you see it in March 2021. And right now, literally right now, we entered the zone again. And now it gets interesting, dear ladies and gentlemen, because let's zoom in. You can see the numbers here on the top indicating shortening bear cycles. And you can see whenever we are getting close to this line here, Bitcoin usually goes into the oversold territory on the RSI every single time. So what does this mean now? Yes, there is a little bit of more downside. Maybe we are getting another wick towards the downside, but we are in the deepest fear, in the deepest bear market territory. The last time we were that low on the RSI was literally when Bitcoin hit $3,800. Let me go back. $3,800 was needed for the market to be so fearful, for Bitcoin to be so oversold on the weekly. And previously to that, $3,100 was needed for the last time when Bitcoin was so fearful, so oversold. Right now is the time where Bitcoin is at these levels once again. Is this the time you want to sell Bitcoin? No, guys. This is not the time I want to sell Bitcoin. In fact, this is the time for me to open a long position, to be in this trade, and to actually wait for higher price levels for Bitcoin. And yes, I'm not going to scale it higher for now, but I am going to do that soon. When we are breaking down, of course, maybe my stop loss is getting triggered, but if we are breaking above the previous high, we just hit recently 32,200. I'm gonna scale it up, and I have here approximately a $10,000 bonus for you in the pinned comment down below on Bybit, Femex, and Binance. You can choose your own link. Bybit is now a little bit smaller, but I think Femex and Binance have higher bonuses right now, so you will find them down below, but only use it as an experienced trader. Thank you so much for watching, guys. It was a very short one. We are going to see each other very soon at the next one of MM Crypto. As always, guys, as always, bye bye.